Welcome. Today we'll talk about the average cost to replace windows in a 3-bedroom house. Replacing windows in a 3-bedroom house can vary based upon several factors. Key factors include window type, material, labor, and location. Common types are double hung, casement, and sliding windows. Materials like vinyl, wood, and fiberglass each have different price points. On average, vinyl windows cost around $300 to $700 each. Wood windows are between $600 to $1,200, and fiberglass windows range from $500 to $1,500 each. Labor costs typically add $100 to $300 per window. For a 3-bedroom house with 10 windows, the total cost can range from $4,000 to $20,000. Remember, investing in quality windows can increase energy efficiency and home value. For information, give us a call or text today at 210-461-2066 or visit our website at texasmadewindows.com.